revenue that I'm getting from mom's house. Oh, 16,005. If they finish this one, it will drill this thing right here.
Inside before the tiles.
Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, it's not morning anymore, but still I am greeting you. The time now is 2:13 p.m. So good afternoon. We are starting the vlog late today. This is because I woke up 7 a.m. and I got ready, showered, and I drove to the city since I had a few errands to do. I went to two of my banks to process something. I got some papers that is needed for my application, so that's already done. And then I went to get groceries, so we're gonna get the groceries. It's still in the back of the car. And now, yeah, it's 2. Oh my gosh, when you're very busy, you wouldn't even notice the time. Look, my little boy is over there, Panda Boo. He's always there, guys. Super clingy. I think it's really hot outside. I'm actually sweating now that I'm here inside. Can you guys see? I'm sweating. It is 34 degrees Celsius, guys, and in the city it was worse. In the car it says 38 degrees Celsius. I was so shocked, and it was super duper hot. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys an update for mommy's house renovation later on, because we have finally started doing the renovation, guys. The problem has been solved. We were able to find 2 people that is working on mommy's rendering, or plastering. How do you guys call that? I saw one saying plastering. So plastering, rendering of mommy's wall, and we're gonna go there later on because right now it's too hot. And I'm gonna give you guys the haul first for the stuff that I got in the city. I actually got 25 kilograms of rice. And yes, I'm not gonna be able to carry that here inside. Panda Boo is right here. Panda! He's such a cute boy. What a clingy boy you are, Panda. Look at Panda, guy. Panda, you wanna say hi to the guys? He's over there, guys. Let's start the haul. I was able to carry this box right here. So first, we have here sliced bread. I have my favorite Doritos. Paper towel. We have this one. It's been a while I did not eat this, so I decided to get, we have otap, mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put this one inside now because it was super hot in the back of the car. We have here grapes. Boy, the grapes, 71 pesos. Look, it's very little, but I'm craving for one. So I have here tomatoes, local tomatoes. I have soy sauce. Oh, this one's exciting. Look, I have yupoki. I thought this is topoki, but they call this yupoki. Look, it's like a rice cake, and I really like this. Whenever we go eat samgyeopsal, it's like an unlimited Korean barbecue. I always get this one. Here, oranges, apples, potatoes. I am becoming Polish now. I am getting potatoes. It's like my staple in the kitchen. I have here 2 milk, pork chop, wings. I might do pork chop later on. I have here a lot of onions because I don't have onions at all. Green apple. Hala, I forgot to get carrots. I have here vinegar, guys, and that's pretty much it. Aside from this, I also got 25 kilograms of rice, and mom was able to help me carry it here inside, so it's over here. Now, we're gonna put these away. You guys see Panda over there? He's so cute. I love Panda, Jude. I know some of you guys will say, MJ, why are you getting your fruits in the supermarket? Why not in the local market? This is because they don't sell green apple. They don't have oranges. They have the tangerine or the pongkan, but they don't have that. Also, for apples, guys, I really want it big, like this big. And they sell the littlest one. For these kind of fruits, I would get it in the supermarket. And also, grapes. Look, see? I don't wanna have to go. Ah? everybody. Good morning. Mom is my videographer today. Anyway, this is the next day now. How are you guys doing? I was not able to continue the vlog yesterday, and this is because I had a really bad headache. I think it was because of the extreme heat in the city. And when I arrived here, I did my laundry, and then I went to check out Mom's house if there's some progress. But there was not a lot of progress, guys, because they had to get some bamboo so that they could use it as a ladder in order to reach the top of the house since they are doing plastering or rendering. So I'm gonna take you guys there. We're gonna go to Mommy's house because there's gonna be some progress today. So we've actually added one more person. So there's like 3 people that are currently working on Mommy's house now, guys. And yeah, they've started at 8 a.m. this morning and it's looking good. Actually, there is some progress that I can see from here, so I'm gonna take you guys there. And by the way, take a look at here. We finally have removed the top of the barrel, the blue barrel, guys. If you can recall, we got 2. So we used the grill. No, not the grill. Drill of Robbie. And then one of the workers drill this thing right here. So now it has a hole. And then at dawn, I think it was like, I don't know what time was it. It rained. It was a miracle. You know what? It's been like probably a month that we have not had any rain in the countryside, and it rained. I think that was like 2 3 in the morning, and I don't know who transferred this. Did you transfer this, me, or you transferred this? So Mommy transferred this one here. Remember, I put it there in the balcony area. She transferred it here because this is where the hole is for the water that goes down from the rain. Can you guys see? This is the water that was being collected. I think that was like 1 hour of rain, guys. So yeah, that is the water. I know it's not a lot, but at least we have some water in this blue barrel, so it's looking good. We actually kept the top for this because we can put bisagra, a hinge right here, and then we can open and close it. Let's take a look at the other one if it has some water that has been collected. Look at this bucket. See, it's actually full. That's good. All right, let's go take a look here and see if it's got no water lagi. Why is this doesn't have any water at all? It's too late? She transferred this one too late, guys. So yeah, there's like very small water. Okay, so now let's go to Mommy's house, guys, so that you guys can see how's it looking. And oh, it's looking good. Actually, the house really looks nice, you know, if you do the plastering. It looks like a house now. Before, it looks like a brick. Okay, look at here. So, as you guys can see, we have 2 people that are doing the plastering. So they're currently doing it now. We're actually starting here at the outside of the house, guys. And this is because Mommy is still using the inside, but they're gonna go to the inside once they finish the outside. Again, we're not doing the tiles yet. We want to make sure that the rendering of the house walls will be finished so that we don't need to, you know, clean the tiles once it's being installed. This is what they're currently working on today. The time now is like 10 in the morning, and this is what they were able to finish. So yesterday, they actually had to go to the woods. They had to go to get a bamboo in order for them to have a place where they can, you know, climb up and they can reach the top. As you guys can see, they have like 1 2 3 4, like they have 5 bamboos that they got from the woods, guys, in order to make this into like a makeshift ladder so that they can reach the tops. It's looking pretty good on this side. I think once they finish this one, it will look really nice. And then, oh, I cannot wait actually once we proceed with the painting, and we still have to do skim coating after this one. But yeah, so this is a combination of fine sand and cement. Our fine sand is almost empty now, but we've actually ordered a truck yesterday, which was around 6,000 pesos, guys. So we have here an umbrella because it gets really hot. It's summer. And also, yesterday we were having a problem with the water as well. So we had to ask Leia's fam to give us some running water so that we could fill the blue barrel and they can continue with their work, because it actually needs a lot of water since we have to mix the fine sand and cement. So as you guys can see over here, this is our neighbor, so he is doing the mixing of the sand and cement, guys. And then two of the people are doing the rendering over there. Look. So that's good. Actually, it's a lot better that we have a helper here that is doing the mixing for the sand and cement, and then he's the one that's giving them the mixed already, so they can just do it faster. So it's pretty good. Okay, it's getting hot now. That's it for today. I-continue jud og ka. No.
Victor Wood. Siyagit.
So the delivery has just arrived. That is one mini dump truck of fine sand. We need to add more because obviously the one that we ordered last time is not going to be enough. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how much are the prices of everything so far that we've got for the materials from his house renovation. Now, I've actually have read a comment if I'm the one paying for the materials, for the labor, for mom's renovation, and to answer that, yes, I am. So when I'm gonna say that I will be the one helping, that's gonna mean financially, because obviously I'm not going to be able to do anything physically. I don't know how to do plastering, rendering, installation of the tiles. Well, I can help mom carry and arrange everything once it's all done, but most importantly, we have to do the financial part of it, because obviously that's the only reason why the house is not being done. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the expenses. Now first, we went to home builders, we got tiles. So 60 pieces of 60 by 60 of tiles. We have 100 pieces of 30 by 30, and then two 25-kilogram of tile adhesive, 20 sacks of cement. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that cost 16,500 pesos. Next, we hired a truck to bring everything from the city going here in the countryside. Well, it wasn't a truck, it was a jeepney, but it's pretty much the same. So for the jeepney rent, guys, that cost 2,000 pesos. Next, I went to Home Builders again. I got tile clips, tile leveling system, and something like that, and that cost 600 pesos. Now, we got the sand, which is the one that we have right now. That mini dump truck of fine sand costs 6,000 pesos. And then another one is the first time we got the fine sand, guys, it was a mini multi-cab size of the fine sand, and that cost 1,800 pesos. And then tile adhesive, which is 5 sacks. So that's 1,000 pesos. And yeah, that is pretty much it so far for the materials that I was able to gather. So I have here all the receipts just to make sure that we have everything calculated. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how much is it going to cost all in all once we are going to be able to finish mom's house. I'm really looking forward for the finished house so that it's going to be white and all three houses will be white. I think it will look so much better. We have 3 laborers. So one is a helper. He is the one mixing fine sand and cement. And then we have 2 that's doing the plastering. So for the labor here in the countryside, we actually have 2 labors that you can choose. So one is package labor, next is daily labor. So this one, we chose daily labor, guys. So meaning to say they're gonna be working from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They have 1 hour lunch. They have 15 minutes snacks, like break time. Now for the 2 guys that are doing the plastering, their daily is 700 pesos. It actually increase. Last time it was like 500, I would say, when I was still doing the house. But yeah, now 2025, everything's getting pricier, so of course labor also increased. Now for the helper that's doing the mixing, his labor daily is 400 pesos, guys. And this is no lunch, but we provide them snacks for the morning and in the afternoon as well. So let's see how many days they will be able to finish all of the things that needs to be done for mom's house. My uncle is still working on his project, so that's why we had to get different people to work on the plastering for now. But I want my uncle to do the tiles. And I just want to share also that all of the revenue that I'm getting from mom's house renovation is gonna go towards the house itself. So that's why I'm taking notes of all the expenses so that we can see if we've already over the budget or not. So if you guys want to help me finish mom's house renovation, guys, just watch the video. Even if you don't like it, just like the video, give it a thumbs up, and just watch it. That's gonna be a really big help. Thank you so much in advance. Slowly. Sit. Emma. Emma. Chesh. I'm editing a vlog.
But honey,
So,
I said to do rendering inside before the tiles, not outside.
he actually started inside already, but then mom said just do the outside for now because the electric is not yet set up.
So you do it both, in and out.
Yeah. And then once Litoy will be done, then they can work on the inside. I think they'll be done this week.
What about visa? What did you... You finished everything for visa?